In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to remove deck boards quick and easy. Landed on this video, I'm going to tell you guys in less than 1 minute how to remove old deck boards. I've already got mine all removed, but I said, you know what? There wasn't anything when I tried to find something on YouTube on how to remove them, so I got 3 ways that I came up with, and one of them was better than all of them, where it didn't take a lot of manpower. First one, the hardest one that I'm going to tell you guys, what I started doing was it's a 2-person job, and you would remove the deck boards. All my support beams are going this way. You would remove the first like set of 6 screws by prying with a pry bar, which took a lot of muscle, and then you would pull up on one of the boards like this, and the other guy over here would bang on it with a crowbar and peel it up, but with the leverage you were giving it, which took a lot of manpower, and we tried to come up with a different method. So that's the first one. The second one also works good, but it makes a big mess. You take a skill saw, and you can see the support beams going this way. You take the skill saw and you run the skill saw that way. Every 16 inches there's a support beam under here, and you just keep running your skill saw across all of them. And then you take a big sledgehammer, and I mean a sledgehammer, not a little small hammer, but like a 20-pound sledgehammer, and you just bang on it, and all of them teeter this way or that way. Then you still got to pry them up. That one didn't take as much manpower, but it worked good. Now, the third one is the best way that I found to remove deck boards, and it was amazing. So as long as you can get underneath your deck, you get a big hydraulic jack. They cost about 80 bucks if you don't have one, maybe 100 if that. So you take the hydraulic jack and you take a 4x4, something like that, and you put it right on the hydraulic jack. When I say hydraulic, it's nothing crazy. It's just a jack that lifts a car, okay? And you pump it like that. If nobody's ever seen one, I'll put a picture in here right after the video, so keep watching. And you keep pumping it up, and you have another person hold the 4x4 like that, right up underneath the deck. And you could take another beam if you want to take out multiple sections at a time, where you would take a big beam like this, maybe a 4-foot beam, like a T. You would build like a T with it. And then when you put the hydraulic jack under it with the T and you start jacking it up, it's going up. I mean, that thing's made to lift cars. So as soon as you keep jacking it up like that, all the beams start breaking. I mean, you could do 3-4 at a time, and it just, not breaking, but I'm sorry, releasing from their screws. The screws would be embedded in there, and you keep doing that, and you're able to remove all the deck boards. That was the most amazing way. We got done with no manpower whatsoever, and it wasn't time consuming. I mean, anybody who landed on this video is on here because it's crazy hard to remove a deck board that's been sitting there for 10 years. Okay, after you get that done, a lot of people might not know this tool is out there, so that's why I'm throwing this in there. This is an angle grinder, also known as a side grinder, and when this wheel spins right here, it takes different types of blades, but the blade that's on here, it will cut metal in like a second. When I say a second, it will literally cut a screw in 1 second. Don't put your hand by it, but when you're gonna have all those little screw heads sticking up from your deck boards, that's the tool that you're going to want to use to grind off any metal. And I'll just come over here and show you guys, like maybe if I got a screw head right here. I mean, I just took that thing and zipped right by it. So instead of me showing you detail for detail in this video, because I already did it, I said let me make a video and explain to you guys how to do it. All I ask, if you've learned something from here, just give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. This is a hydraulic jack. It only costs $55, and it will do the job.